warm and wonderful welcome from the side of me and myself, Dean Roy, want to present to you from the Civil Services Organization of IS and the Narayana Community School, the best CBSE secondary school in the Delhi NCR. Just as I used to tell you about myself and my creativity towards the examination of classes 12th and class 10th. In this section, today we go and explain you about the English of class 10th, especially indirect speech, which has a great importance. And many students get confused into this, how to solve this. Many students get confused, even not only in this one, even in the UPSC mains examination, indirect speech used to come up here. And just how these indirect speech are and how can you solve, I am giving you a very simple trick, very simple method, okay, that you will be amazed. Just only have to do practice this one. Now see if you have that. Indirect speech. You must remember this, that indirect speech always goes according to the statement. Okay, there are the 5 kinds of sentences. 5, must remember this. First is assertive sentence. Assertive. Second is interrogative. Third is optative. Fourth is imperative. And fifth is exclamatory. You must be amazed to know this one, that this is indirect speech which is asked in each and every examination, whether it is SSC examination or UPSC examination or PCS, UPPCS or Bihar, everywhere in the basic exams. This is very much important. And in class 10, this is a very much important examination, important topic for this one. And I am giving you a very good topic, very good understanding on this topic. First is assertive. And how can you solve this one? Just can make it true now. Just now I am giving you first one demo according to this one assertive, or what is the indirect speech that I am saying to you. Just to see a bit, he said to me, just you follow my words only what I am giving to you. He said to me, he is a good boy. He is a good boy.
Sir.
One sentence is, Ram said to Mohan. In the start, I go to school. Now see, simple sentence here. Ram said to Mohan, I go to school. Now you are seeing this is the first part of sentence and this is the second part of sentence. And the first part of sentence, this is called reporting verb. Must write this here. Reporting verb. Sometime in the examination they ask this one only. What is this? In the competitive examination. And this is called reported speech. Must remember this. What is this? You know that this is inverted comma. Inverted comma. Here. Now this is called direct speech. You must remember. This is called direct speech. Now we have to change it into indirect speech. So automatically this one, the Ram said to Mohan, this will be now changed into Ram. This said to will be changed into told. Ram told Mohan. And as you know very well, this is the simple sentence, assertive sentence. So here in that, the inverted comma will be changed into that. Okay? Ram told Mohan that. Now it's I. For that rule I am giving to you. Otherwise, this is simple one. That I go according to Ram and you go according to Mohan. But suppose that any student will confused on this one, what will come. So for this, I will give you just very simple formula. SON 1, 2, 3. Just now, first person change body to subject, second person change body to object, third person no change. Now the question will come in your mind, what is first person? What is second person? What is third person? So first person, again just for this I am making your graph. You see that here? that you just must remember for your future. First, you know very well how many kind of person? There are three kind of person. How many? Three. Okay? First person, second person, and third person. And you know very well that now every word has two kinds, singular and plural. Like singular and plural. In first person comes I and we. Second person comes you, and here comes your and yours. And third person he, she, it, and names. And names anyone. Now, Sita, Gita, Gita, Rita, Rita, anything. And here comes again. Written? Now see, this is your key to open all kind of things of your tenses, voices, intellect, even the grammar. All the grammar depends upon this key. This key, most important key, must remember this. Just now. Now see here, it is written as when first person is subject. I is what? You see down here, I is first person. So first person is equal to subject. So around what comes here? That he. Okay. Now this is which tense? Now say to Mohan which tense? Tell me now. Past tense. Very good. So if reporting verb is in past tense, reported speech must be in the past tense. Must be in the past tense. So I, he, you see now past tense. So what will now go for the past tense? Second form verb. Go, went, and gone. So now second form comes what? I think that you know very well. But again I like to go, went, gone. Go is first form verb, went is second form verb, and gone is third form verb. So now here comes went. So what should I write here? He went. Very good. To school. Now how easy things to do. Very much easy. Ram told Mohan that he went to school. Now you got the marks. Means must remember that this thing which you go is very, very much important for civil services, for IS examination, for the mains. This question is asked. For the mains English, for SSC examination, for UPSC examination, and you know this is the basic of class 10th. This is basic of class 10th. You see how the class 10th is the most important thing for the other competitive examination. Now the another example I am giving to you of this thing only. Ram said to Sita, I went there. You see, very simple sentence but very powerful sentence. I went there. Now see here, I went there. Ram, as you know very well, the full stop coming. So what comes here? Told only. Ram told Sita. Now instead of inverted form, what comes here? That. Very good. And you know I is first person is going to subject. So is what? Ram. What comes here? He. Now one formula coming up here. You see went. Go, went, goes. Tell me now which tense is this? Past indefinite or past simple past, and which now here second form verb comes. Now this rule, the past simple past change into past perfect and past continuous change into past perfect also. Must remember this. Past indefinite change into past perfect and past continuous change into past perfect continuous. And suppose that if you are not able to remember this now, in a good way, so simple you can do. If second form verb now comes up here, it will be changed into have plus third form verb. And if now here comes was or were, so automatically it will be changed into had been, into had. Just you see, very simple. But must remember, this question is asked in every examination. And for CBSE, this is very much favorite question. UPSC also asking this question because this is a special. So you see up here second form went. So went will be changed. Use one that he had. You see second form verb change to had to third form. It will past indefinite into past perfect. So he had gone there. Very good. Ram told Sita that he had gone there. Now if here comes that Ram said to their friends, you were going. You were going. Simple, I will say. Simple writing. Now see, Ram. See, step 2. Simple value. What comes here? Told. Ram told. And here, their friends. Their friends. You see, in particular here now, what comes here? That. Now see, you. Second person change according to. Tell me now, according to object. Object was friends. What comes here? Friends are one of many. Answer many. What comes here? They. Very good. And you see, I told you, was over changed into had been. They had been going. I think you have understood this one. Very, very important role. 100% on coming in examination. 100% for everyone. All the examination. Just simple. It's good.